So apart from all these individuals, there is one more other group of individuals are present. Those are called as lichens. So lichens are the best example for a symbiotic type of organisms, where it's an symbiotic association between an algal member and an fungal member. Here in this association, the algal member is called as phycobiont, whereas the fungal member is called as mycobiont. The association is in such a manner that both of them are benefited by such system. And as we know that algal member is an autotrophic member which will perform photosynthesis and prepare their own food materials, whereas fungal member is a heterotrophic member which cannot prepare its food materials. That is the reason why the algal member will provide nutrition to the fungal member or food to the fungal member, whereas fungal member will provide minerals and water protection to the algal member. So in this association, both of them are benefited from each other, and they survive as a single individual. In this one, the lichens are considered to be most significant in the succession, particularly in the xerarch conditions. That is, these are the first, or we can say pioneers in the xerarch succession. That is, they have the ability to colonize the bare rock, and they start secreting some chemicals by which the rocks are gradually dissolved, or rock particles are converted into soil particles, which will help in colonizing the other group of individuals. Apart from that one, these are considered to be the best indicators of pollution. That is, they are very much sensitive to the pollution. That means whenever the pollution is present, they cannot survive in such type of environment. These are best indicators of sulfur dioxide pollution. So this is the environmental or ecological significance related to the lichens or the lichens. And here there are different types of lichens are there based on their nature or thallus organization. Those are crustose lichens or lichens. Second one, foliose lichens. So based on the organization, crustose lichens means they are having the crust like structure. Foliose means which contains leaf like body or leaf like structure is present in the organization. And the third one is fruticose lichens or lichens. These are having a miniature shrub like appearance. So likewise, different types of lichens are present based on their organization. And if you take the structure of the lichens, which contains both algal member and fungal member, the algal member mostly belong to Cyanophyceae or Chlorophyceae, whereas the fungal member mostly belongs to Ascomycetes, sometimes to Basidiomycetes also. Then if you observe the thallus body, it contains upper cortex, second part is called as medulla, and third part is called as lower epidermis. These are the three parts which are present in the thallus organization of the lichens, and they participate in the reproduction vegetative reproduction by fragmentation, asexual reproduction by Soridium, Cephalodium and Isidium. So likewise, different types of reproductive structures are present in the members of lichens. And some other examples are the mycorrhizal associations. The mycorrhizal association is an association between the filamentous fungus and higher plants. So here it is also example for symbiotic association, in which the fungus is associated with the root system of higher plants, in which the fungus will absorb the water and minerals from the soil and provide it to the higher plants, whereas higher plant will provide nutrition and also shelter to the fungal member. So based on that one, ectomycorrhiza and endomycorrhiza are present based on the type of association.